Hi everybody, welcome back to Top Words. My name is Alicia, and today we're going to be talking about 10 must-know math words. So let's go. Plus. The first word is plus. You might have this plus sign on your keyboard. You probably do. It means to add something. So like 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's an addition-related phrase, plus. Minus. The next one, the opposite of plus, is the minus sign. So in this case, 2 minus 1 equals 1. So it's a subtraction that's related to subtraction, taking away something. Minus. Times. Okay, the next one is times. Times we use for multiplication. So it's represented by an X symbol. So 2 times 2 equals 4. We use times. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. It's a multiplication-related word. I wonder why we use times. 2 times 2. Divide. Divide as the verb. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, for example. Divided by is that weird dot, line, dot symbol. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. You can use divided by is the expression. 2 divided by blah, blah, blah. Equal. Equal or equals, we use this before we present the solution to a math problem. So 2 times 2 equals, with an S equals, it equals 4, for example. You can also use equal to show that two things have the same value. 2 is equal to 2. This value is equal to that value. That's another way that you can use the word equal. Equation. The next math word is equation. Equation. So up until now, we've been talking about a part of an equation, but the whole math problem, everything there is called the equation. So the process that you need to do in order to solve an equation. An equation is something that you do to solve a problem. This part is the equation, this part is the solution. The ending, the result is the solution. The problem is called the equation, the process, the math process you do to find a solution. Percent. Percent. This is a very useful word you can use, of course, when doing math or math problems, but you can also use this when shopping, for example. So a sale is 5% off, 10% off. It represents a discount. You can also use percent to describe effort levels. For example, a sports team. A coach might tell his team, I need you to work at 100% today. So it's used to express the level of something, but it can also be used in sales and in math-related terms. Remainder. The next word is remainder. Remainder is used when doing division, largely. Remainder means something that is left over. So when doing division problems, sometimes there's a problem or an equation that results in a number that is not round or a number that is not whole. So for example, 1.2. Might be a solution to a math problem. The 0.2, that is the remainder there. That's what's left over. So it's not a whole number, but there's a little bit that's left, that's remaining. That's called the remainder, something that's left over. Even. The word even represents numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We consider those numbers even. They end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Those are the even numbers. Odd. So the next word is odd, which represents the numbers that are not even, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Any number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is called an odd number. Anything that ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 is an even number. All right, so those are 10 math-related words that are actually quite useful. You can use them to talk about, of course, math equations, but they're also useful in perhaps in some business situations and when shopping. So give them a try. Thanks very much for watching this episode of Top Words, and we will see you again soon. Bye!